Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here is a bearish movement. All right, so what we can see as well at the time last week, I did say that do not chase the market, and that is because the volatility seems to drop. As you can see, this is the effective movement of the entire move. We're looking at around 130 pips, and over here we can have a look over here on the effective movement is 330 pips, so it's as good as half or even more than half. All right, so I'm not saying that the bear market is over, however, do not engage directly, and this is the reason. Okay, we can wait for other formation. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have on the 4-hour chart. Market came back up. It really looks like it has go bullish, but it actually have not. So starting off structure is really important. You have to look at the candle close price and look left. You can see structure. So it's pretty much respect over this level. You can even wait for retest and see how it goes. But I wouldn't say to buy it right away. However, on the 1-hour chart, based off the structure setup and our rules, we have the first break and close above the high, and second break close above the high, and that put us in a bullish zone. All right, so we have a bullish and we have two bearish movements. So what does it mean? It simply just means that it's a bearish movement, and right now market on the lower time frame went higher, which is great for traders like myself and most of you, I believe, is a bond counter trend trader. That means you're looking for high price to short and low price to buy. So this is perfect. If I'm looking for high price to short, that will give me an advantage on the 1-hour chart. And if we look on the trend trading per se, then I am actually trend trading on a bigger picture. If that's too confusing for you, you can always scan this QR code, get into our website where you can access to our chat forums, and you can chat with us over here because the activity is all in the chat forum right now. We are using Telegram, so definitely the security is there, so don't worry about that. If we scroll down further, you can even start to learn Forex for free with no obligation. All right, and of course, if you are looking for personal or group coaching, then drop me a note. Even looking to run this as your own business as well, you want to learn how to run this as your business, drop me a note as well. Scroll down further, you can even see some of our trading ideas, and how this is important in a way to look into my thought process than to follow my trade blindly. I'll update every step of the move, but that is for learning purposes. All right, so back to our daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis with you over here. All right, so back on daily chart, what we have is a very sharp pattern. I'll be waiting to short at 1.0870. I remember when I post this analysis once on the Telegram, the trading view, there are people actually dropping me notes and, hey, oh, you mistype it. All right, it should be a buy. All right, because I say I'm looking to short over here 1.0870. Well, I just want to make it clear that when I say that I'm waiting to short at 1.0870, it means I'm looking to short at that level. All right, a sharp pattern in this case, this harmonic pattern is known as a sharp, is only a sharp pattern when it reaches point D, and it does need to show me some confirmation signs, some signs of weakening before I head in for a short. So that is very important, and that is one of the biggest mistakes and issues that harmonic pattern traders or new harmonic pattern traders has. All right, so to the 4-hour chart, if the market extends further, then I'm looking to short at 1.0730. That's why just now earlier on I did not place a alert level and look for a short. You can, I'm not saying you can't, but that will be a structure based trade. You are not entirely wrong. However, I would just want to observe how things is, and of course there's no harm for me to place a alarm or alert system over here and decide later. All right, but looking at this, I would say that a crab pattern, or rather a deep crab pattern, is something that I want to look into. And to the 1-hour chart, this makes things a bit interesting. Should the market just fall from here, have a free fall, this is level 1.0361, I'm looking for a buying opportunity, a bullish shark trading opportunity. All right, so what is what? what could happen is the best case scenario for this to create a combo is that market can back up, and over here it has a structure test at this level. All right, so a structure test at this level, and this is where is the best. All right, because if you are looking at a trading combo, let's say it came back up, test at this region, we shorted it to the 1 hour chart, you know, it can, let's say, drop all the way to the shark pattern completion. That'll be a huge movement. We are looking at 200 close to 300 pips of movement, and as for me, I can always place my first target here, assuming this was the lowest before the retest of the previous high. Sorry. All right, so this could give me enough profits of 44 pips to place my stops at entry, and that is when things can get interesting. I can choose to stretch my second target and to observe and monitor closely on this level. All right, so if you love this kind of dynamic learning, drop us a note. Trading, we have seen, is the best thing you can do in all situations. You can work from home, you can work anywhere you want. All right, and you just need 30 minutes a day. That's all I have for you today. Looking forward to see you soon in our community. Till then, remember always plan your trade and your plan. Take care.